In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect responses for free in SurveyMonkey. We'll keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll be able to open your survey, access the Collect Responses tools, add a collector, and use the free options available on your plan to start gathering answers right away. First, head to the SurveyMonkey website and sign in. Make sure you're on a reliable connection and, if possible, use a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see your existing projects. Find the survey you want to share and open it. If you're working with a draft, confirm your questions and settings are saved so the link you share reflects the most current version. Inside your survey, look for the tab labeled Collect Responses. This section is where SurveyMonkey organizes all the ways you can share your survey and track replies. Click Add Collector. A collector is simply a method or channel for receiving responses, such as a direct web link you can paste anywhere, a social share option, or other channels that may be included with your plan. Here's the key part: explore the free ways to send your survey. Depending on your plan, you'll see options surfaced as free. Look for choices such as build an audience or other no-cost sharing methods available to you. Choose one of the free options and walk through its on-screen setup. If you pick a link-style collector, you'll usually get a unique URL you can copy and share in emails, chats, social posts, or on your website. If social sharing is offered, you can publish straight to your preferred platforms. Before sending, take a moment to review the collector settings. These can include whether to allow multiple responses from the same device, whether to collect email addresses, adding a completion message or redirect, setting a close date, and toggling on notifications so you know when responses come in. Adjust only what you need. Keeping it simple helps ensure more people complete the survey. It's a good idea to test the link yourself in a fresh browser window or on your phone, just to confirm everything looks right and is easy to complete. Once you're satisfied, share the link with your audience and watch the responses start to appear. You can monitor progress and manage all of your sharing methods right from the Collect Responses tab, and you can pause or close a collector anytime if you need to stop collecting. That's it. You've gone to SurveyMonkey, opened your survey, added a collector, and used the free options to start gathering responses. You're all set to collect insights with confidence.